Floor framing and subfloor sheathing. Joists covered with plywood with blocking to resist rotation. In a residential structural system with a crawl space or when framing a second floor, floor framing and subfloor sheathing is used. With a crawl space, the first floor is built on cripple walls 1 to 3 feet high. Joists span the width of the home supported by interior supports which rest on concrete pads called pylons. Blocking are intermediate supports which work to keep joists from rotating under load. The subfloor sheathing is typically plywood over top of the floor joists. The second floor framing is the same, joists across the width of the residence with load-bearing walls reducing the length of joists and blocking installed to resist rotation of joists under load. Floor framing or subfloor sheathing are joists covered with plywood, with intermediate support in the form of pylons or load-bearing walls and blocking to resist rotation. Multiple choice question, floor framing and subfloor sheathing. A. Joists covered with plywood with blocking to resist rotation. B. Vertical supports, usually 2x4s, 16 inches on center with shear panels. C. Subfloor is the floor covering under the carpet or tile. D. Events which, if delayed, will delay the completion of the job. The best answer choice in this case from what we've been given for floor framing and subfloor sheathing is A. Joists covered with plywood with blocking to resist rotation.